What's up, everybody? My name is thejjordan. Today, I'm gonna do a real quick unboxing. I got this stuff from Temu, and we're just gonna see what it is. I might put the stuff in the description just so you can see what it is. This one right here is an ear pick. It's to clean your ears. Vibration vacuum to clean your ears. Dio Cross C-ear. So I'm always trying to get something to clean my ear. So we got that right there. And that's all for that one. And for box number 2, I might have another one somewhere. But if I do, it'll be alright. Say 4K camera. It's something like that podcast camera. So let's open it up real quick and see what it looks like on the inside. It comes with, put it on here. It comes with the manual right here. It comes with the camera. I be seeing people with these. I want to try it out so I can have a different avenue of recording stuff. And it comes with a bag to put it in. So we got the bag. Got the plug in. Got the clamp, the attachables that go with it. Strap. The mic to go with it as well. Another clamp to go with it, and the piece to put around your wrist so you won't lose it. So that came with that one. This is the 4K camera, and I ordered something on Temu, and I got a good amount of this stuff that said you get it for free. You know how Temu is. They're like, hey, if you buy something, you get a certain amount of stuff for free. So you just gotta go and claim it. This one right here is, let's see, a clean robot. So we got a clean robot. So that's what we have. So whatever you do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Remember, like I always say, fitness is key. Peace.